Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm back again. The trail, I tell you, I always come. Summer, winter, this is my 247, and now it was the biggest snowstorm yesterday, January the 25th, 26th today. So I said I better come to show you. It's so beautiful. You can see everything is so nice like that. You can see this. Oh God, I always come and do my thing here. You want to do this one? Look at that. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my God, ouch. I always do that on my head. Oh God, it's beautiful out here. Oh man, look at that. It looks like so heavenly. Look at that. Wow. Everybody, you must, please, whoever is watching my video, any snowstorm, just go and walk and enjoy Allah's creation. Look at that, you can see it. It's so beautiful. Man, it looks out of the world. Oh my God, every tree is covered with ice. I mean, now they've become almost ice cold, but beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. MashaAllah. I'll have to take still pictures. I'm going to take all still pictures. Wow. That is amazing. Love it. Inshallah, enjoy it. Tra la 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 la. La la la. Wow. God, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh man, it gives me so peace on my soul. Oh my God. Yeah. Another one. Do you want to see another snowflakes on me? All right. Okay. Let me see. I can't even walk here. It's all. This is the trail I walk. Oh, I saw that one. Yeah. Oh my God, that one. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna fall on me. Can you? Can you? Ah, ah, oh my God. Ah, ouch. Oh, there's a big block.